A warm welcome to Make Empower channel. Make Empower channel welcomes all our valuable and responsible viewers. We love to form a team and work with people who are creative and have a great learning attitude. On this channel, you can learn knowledge about the advanced technique of digital marketing. I will teach you all the basic fields of digital marketing within this channel. If you really want to be a digital marketing consultant, you should know a complete list of all digital marketing categories that you can become a digital marketer. Here is a list that you can learn from this Make Empower channel. Freelancing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, search engine marketing, blogging, WordPress development, email marketing, Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster Tool, Shopify store setup, WordPress store setup, affiliate marketing, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and also learn many other skills and tips and tricks in this Make Empower channel.